Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can turn on your iPhone Findable even after power off. So let's dive right into it. So firstly, you have to make sure that your Find My is turned on, for which you can go to your settings. And on your settings, you'll have to now tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile here, you can see Find My right here. You can tap on Find My, and from here again tap on Find My iPhone. So after doing that, here you can see it is currently turned on. So after turning on your Find My, you have to make sure that Find My network should be turned on. Simply by tapping on it like this, the toggle button has been turned on and your Find My network is also now turned on. Here it is also written that practicing in the Find My network lets you locate this iPhone even when it's offline, in power reserve mode and after power off. So after you have turned on this feature, even if your phone is power off, you can still locate it. So if you want to see the last location, you can even turn on this option just like this. And now you can go back and you're all set. Now if you try to turn off your phone just like this, here you can see iPhone Findable after power off. So that means it will also be findable even after you have powered off this phone. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can turn on your iPhone Findable after power off. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.